Hi, it's Anna with WTI. Do you have an upcoming event this fall or winter? I have the perfect velvet dress for you. This is by DIRASS and it is beautiful. I love all the extra little features that just make it a little bit more stunning than a plain velvet dress. I'm middle aged, I'm a mom of three, so I need something that is not super revealing these days, but something that I still feel sexy in. And this dress was perfect. It has this nice tulip hem, so you have a little bit of flare there, and then you have the nice ruched waist to one side. The velvet is so soft and very high quality. This is not a flimsy, thin dress. My stomach is by far my most self-conscious point on my body. And this dress, I was so impressed with how flat it made my stomach look compared to normal. This is with no shapewear that I was actually more self-conscious about my back. This is a size large on me. I'm usually between a large and extra large, so it's very true to size. So this is a slim fitting dress. So if you want to have a little bit of extra room, you might order a size up, but I felt this was very, very true to size. So whether you have an event already scheduled that you need a dress for, or you want something just to look fabulous walking to the mailbox, this dress is a must have, but that's just my point of view.